I got big problems. I just saw a picture of my mom as a man. Now, well, I'm just trying to wrap my eyes around that one. And I'll probably have to go down to the garbage pit and give it some thought. Karen?
What?
How do you feel?
Sad.
There you are. Why are you sad, Karen? Oh, dear God. Woman can't even get her thoughts out without more crying and coughing.